Well, I think we're gonna have a full moon tonight. Look who's behind the wheel.
Kind of like the trailer's attached.
We're headed off to Myrtle Beach, do a little sightseeing, maybe launching a little flight or two, if we can find a safe place to get some drone shots. But the teen back here, he's been itching to check out the beach. Actually, we have double teens now, so this should be fun. That's it, I'm done driving. It's official. She's like a pro. Right?
Of course I am.
So can I quit?
No.
Wow. So far, this strip reminds me of Virginia Beach. Very similar. Oh, and if the wind is kind of loud or noticeable, it's because I forgot my wind muff. I apologize now for that. That's an interesting sign, huh? This is the beach club for the Carolina Pines. Man, I wish we can go in there.
You said we can peek inside, right?
Yeah. It's not staffed or anything. They have a handicapped elevator. Nice view. Pretty cool.
Yeah, you can't get access. That's what she was saying at gate as well.
Right.
So if you're coming during the regular season, the fee that you pay to stay on site, I think it's pretty much worth it because you gain access to all this, including the free shuttle to the beach, and then here on the beach you have the pool, the jacuzzi, plus they have food service, I believe, here when they're open. During the off season, the shuttles do take you to the outlet malls and to a place called Broadway at the beach. But yeah, pretty dope resort.
Pretty nice situation to be in right here. Looking good. What you got cooking up today, hon?
Sirloin.
On the Blackstone. How's that working out for you?
I really like that.
I can't complain. I think this was a good investment. Huh? I know, right? Can't believe it. This looks like a restaurant.
I mean, that's what I do. You know what I mean?
You just started doing it.
Oh, true. I'm all about vegetarian cooking, usually.
Yeah. I have never seen my wife so excited to cook. So any of you fellas out there who want your wife to get excited about cooking, get her a Blackstone. Shout out to Mike for recommending this.
Mike Winston.
Mike Winston. This thing is coming through in the clutch, my friend. Get in the hot tub. Hot, hot. Ooh, really hot, hot tub. A little bit. Ooh. Whoa, that feels so good on my knee. Feels good. So nobody is in here right now. This is how we like it. Do you agree, hon?
Social distancing.
This is how you social distance. We do have our mask just in case people come, but I don't think anyone's coming. And I ain't mad at them. There's nobody even in a pool, right?
Nope. Montel Jordan.
It's how we do it on Friday night. Oh, no, on a Sunday night. And it feels so right.
We're on West Side.
No, we're not on the west side.
But that's the song.
She's gonna let us know if the pool is warm. It's supposed to be a heated pool.
What? What did you say?
I'm talking to the camera.
What
Go.
did you say?
You're about to let us know how the pool is. We're not trying to get out the hot tub. Go ahead, let us know. We'll get in with you.
Where you go?
We're really not gonna get in with her.
What is he saying?
Maya, are you gonna get in with her?
Maybe.
See,
I thought it was...
she got a poker face. You can't trust her. She got a poker face going on. You can't trust her, Maya.
Oh, look. You saw that? Go down, Elena. Wait.
Oh, I saw that.
Get in there.
It's cold, babe. It's cold. Don't get in there.
Oh, is she a liar?
Don't get in there. Don't get in there, babe.
Oh! Oh, no. You are such a liar.
I'm not.
Elena, it is freezing. No.
Come in.
I'm finna die. No.
It's literally not even bad. Alina. It's literally not even bad.
She said you lied.
I did not.
Yes, she did.
It's literally not even bad. Don't you see me in here right now?
I'm different from you.
Don't you see me in here right now?
I have nothing to do with you.
Ooh, she going off on you.
You must be more European than I am.
Come on.
I'm Africa.
Come in.
I can't deal with that.